Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to start working with cash on delivery. Cash on delivery, or COD, is a payment method where the customer pays for their order in cash to the person delivering the order. This can be a convenient option for customers who don't have a credit card or prefer not to pay online. If you're interested in offering COD as a payment option for your business, here are some steps to get you started. Make sure your business is set up to handle COD orders. This may involve setting up a system for tracking cash payments and reconciling them with your financial records. You may want to consider implementing a point-of-sale system or using software to help you manage your cash flow. Choose a reliable delivery service. Look for a service that has a good track record of delivering orders on time and handling cash payments securely. Consider factors such as the service's reputation, delivery fees, and coverage area. Communicate the COD option to your customers. Let them know that they have the option to pay in cash when their order is delivered. You can do this through your website, email marketing, or in-store signage. Make sure to clearly explain the details of the COD process, such as the accepted forms of payment and any relevant fees or policies. Train your staff to handle COD orders. Make sure that your employees know how to handle cash payments and follow proper procedures for handling and tracking the money. This may include training on how to accurately count and record cash payments, as well as how to handle any discrepancies that may arise. Set clear policies for COD orders. Determine how you will handle returns, exchanges, or other issues that may arise with COD orders. Clearly communicate these policies to your staff and customers to help prevent misunderstandings or disputes. By following these steps, you can start offering cash on delivery as a payment option for your customers. This can help you reach a wider audience and provide a convenient payment option for those who prefer to pay in cash. Remember, it's important to carefully consider the pros and cons of offering COD before making a decision. While COD can be a useful payment option for some businesses, it may not be the best fit for all types of businesses or customers. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with cash on delivery.